Hello beautiful people, this is Mario and you're watching So this is our last day in Pattaya and we're going to take a quick walk down to Jomtien beach from our hotel. We're at Tara Court, we're kind of in between Jomtien and Pattaya. Join me, shall you? So we just made our way all the way down from that general vicinity, and what we need to do is kind of make our way not there, but down this area. Sorry for my finger. But here's the ocean, and man, the breeze is fantastic. Hey, meow meow. Hey, buddy. Meow. Meow. Definitely gonna hear a bunch of wind. The breeze is a-blowing. I don't know if you can see that over there. So check out, this is kind of like a water park, but check out this contraption. Thing looks like something out of 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. And it goes all the way from here. It goes all the way there. Would you do that? I wouldn't. It looks like this place has been closed for a long time, or at least that thing hasn't worked for a long time. But maintenance is a kind of a second thought. And there's like a little monorail that I've never seen, but that's the track, if you see it. See, it's working. I heard children playing, so I guess the pool and the, you know, the slides, I guess, maybe still in action, but that was a good walk. Now we're back in the Sun Tao. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed our little walk. Thank you for watching. Take care.